Hello. I just thought I'd take the opportunity at the end of the day to give you a bit of an update on what's going on with the Perl School brand. Now, some of you might not have heard of Perl School, some of you might have done. Originally, I started it as a training course. Back in 2011, 2012, we ran some cheap training at the weekend on Google Campus, which is half a mile or so in that direction, I think. Some of you may have come on some of those courses. But then in 2017, I reinvented it to publish ebooks. One day I'll tell the story of how I got paid twice for writing this book. So that was the first book that I published back in 2017. I soon realized that I needed other authors to get involved to avoid it looking like a vanity project. So John wrote a couple of books for me. And then if you know anything about the Perl book world, you'll realize what a good morning it is when you wake up to an email from Brian Foy saying, "Can I publish some books through your..." So Brian's written some books for me. I published another one. This was my lockdown project. So that all lives at perlschool.com. We sell books through Amazon Kindle, it's ebooks, and also on LeanPub. There's an interview I did with Brian again, on Perl.com, talking about the economics and the industry and why it's a good idea to be able to publish books through Perl School, through ebooks. So an update, what next? Well, you know, I'm thinking ebooks haven't really taken off quite as much as I thought that they were going to, so maybe I'll take another look at publishing some of these as dead trees so that you can actually go and buy them. Maybe I'll publish your book. What do you fancy writing a book about? There's a Write For Us page on the website, so feel free to give that a read and get in touch. There's hello@Perl School. Well, yeah, basically it boils down to email me or hello@perlschool.com. Now, I'm so happy with the way this is going that I thought I'd expand it a little bit beyond Perl only. So I have this new brand, Clapham Technical Press, that lives at claphamtechpress.com, publishing things that are wider than Perl. So I used that to publish my GitHub Actions book last year. I've worked with another chap. He's published 3 books through us. You can see it's not really just technical books, things about modern working world and stuff like that. I've even taken it as a reason to publish 2 children's books, which is really not me, but hey. So, you know, what do you want to write about? Let me help you write something. Get in touch with me at hello@perlschool.com or hello@claphamtechpress.com. Oh, I had one more thing that I needed to mention. Now, it's been quite a while since Perl School published a new book. It was my Perl Hacks book back at the end of the pandemic. So I've been working on something. There's the 2nd edition of Data Munging with Perl. It's going to be available soon. In the Perl world, I think it's traditional to say it'll be out by Christmas. But I actually think it'll be sooner. I think you will probably, don't hold me to this, probably looking at 3 or 4 weeks. But because you're all such nice people and you've come to the LPW, if you go to this website and fill in the form on that page, then when it does get published, I will send you an email with a discount code so you'll be able to get the book more cheaply. Thank you for listening and buy the books.